Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video, and in that video, guys, we're going to analyze for you here in the daily. We're telling you what the Bitcoin doing right now in the daily for long-term investors. Then we go into the 4 hours here to analyze for you here in the 4 hours for swing traders. Then we go into 30 minutes. We analyze for you there. Then we're going to see the economical data for tomorrow, what is going to come, or economical news, what is going to come tomorrow. Picture is too clear, guys. So let's start our lesson of today, guys. Here we are, guys, as you see in here, that the daily candle here, how it's finished. It's finished green here. And what that indicating, guys, that it indicating the market is going to go higher, but not that much. As you see it down here, the volume is not that too big. Plus, also what we said before, we said we got 2 inside bars or 1 inside bar, that one. As you see it, that the first inside bar, that one, and that green candle here. And we said it's need the market to come to break up or to come to break down here. Till now, it doesn't break up or doesn't break down. Also, we still only sideways here. Some for long-term investors, just they say once a week, once a month, depending how much capital you're earning, just buy Bitcoin once a week, once a month, and if you could, even once a day. Don't care about nothing, just buying and store the Bitcoin. Only thing, store it in your hard wallet, guys. That's the only thing me I will tell it to you and repeat it thousands of times. And if you could use fiat currency to the Bitcoin, fiat currency like euro, like British pound, like USD, all those things, guys. Picture is too clear, guys. And that week, we got a very huge week, guys. All the economical data of the world is going to come that week. So you need to be very careful what's happening. Picture is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see the coming news for tomorrow. Here we are, guys. As you see in here, that the coming news or the coming data for tomorrow. And as you see what we got in the start of the day, just 12 minutes from now, the CPI of the Aussie. Then we got German unemployment rate or change. Then we got the CPI of the Eurozone or inflation of Eurozone at 10 o'clock of the morning. By the way, all the times here, they are with GMT, guys. Then what we got here for USA, we got that non-farm employment change. Then we got the GDP, guys, at 130. Then we got that one that jolts or jobless opening, that it will telling you the unemployment rate which is going to come that week, how it's going to come. Plus we got here pending home sales, crude oil inventory. Then we're going to finish the whole day at 6:30. The Fed Chair Powell speech. So that person, he will not leave us. He's going to come and he's going to tell us what's happening, guys. Picture is too clear, guys. There is nothing too hard here. Just be careful at that time. I'm talking here for scalpers and day traders. They need to be careful at those times. And here, guys, what we got? Our friend, that one here, we watch it every day. What it's telling us here, as you see it. We got, guys, here, all US stocks. Some of them, they are green, like the Dow Jones here. It's finished the day, or it closed the day green. Then we got here, the SP 500 is it red. Then the Nasdaq red. So everything it's being red today. The only Bitcoin is came green. It closed the day green. That's something very good. Plus here we got our friend the VIX. Yesterday we being here at 22. Today we fall down again to 21. But not that much. So we need to fall down more, guys. It needs to fall down below 20. That's the right time for us. Also, we're still very close, but not yet, guys. And for the people, they being scaring you about the Bitcoin and all those things, forget about everything, guys. The halving cycle is very close. And fundamentally, Bitcoin is very stronger. So store as much you can, buy as much you can, and wait in the right moment. Because majority of those people, they just scaring you, guys. Bitcoin is going to take off. No one will stop it. Picture is too clear, guys. Now it's going back to the chart to show you more. What is it there? Here we are, guys. By the way, yes, you, my friend, are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, guys, we put in for you every day 2 videos. Every day 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So like that, you're going to be very, very, very well updated about what the Bitcoin doing right now. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now, guys, let's go into see our indicators with the same for pictures to be more clear to you. That one here, guys, what else we said about it? Last video being here. I told you from here, it needs to go higher and to break for us that last peak here. Did it break it, guys? No, look with me here what it done. It just came to that place here. Now what should we do? It's need to come at least and to break here, guys. Also, we enter in the daily when we be in here. Yes or no? People being with us where we enter. We enter from here. And we're also going to take profit when it's going to touch here. Why? I'm going to tell you why. Because that one is a very stronger downtrend, and every time when we used to touch it, it used to fall down, guys. Yes or no? So us, we enter from here. Let's say you buy $100 from here from 15k, then the Bitcoin it will reach here, let's say 18 or 20k. You're going to take your $200 or $100 of you, and you're going to leave the profit which is here. If it go up, fair enough. If it fall down, your 200 you buy from here, you take it off. You are not losing nothing. Picture is too clear, guys. Now let's go in to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours for picture to be more clear to you guys. Here we are in the 4 hours. People they been with us here in swing trading where us we enter long. We enter from that candle here. Why did we enter? Because we used to have here a triangle like that, and where we said the take profit of us, we said it need to be here in the peak here. Why? Because we came here and we calculated like that, and we put it in the place where it's breaking here, we said. And where we put in the stop, we put it down here. Now what's happening here? The Bitcoin it fell down till here. Now it's showing us a rejection, but in that place here there is no big power to push it to go higher and to break here that level here, guys. We need to be very, very, very close at that level here if we are going to break it or no, because it might to go back just here and there is no big power. Then you're going to see the Bitcoin falling down, guys. If it's falling down, where should we enter short, guys? We should enter short here. If it's breaking here down, also we will enter short, my friend. Picture is too clear, guys. By the way, yes you, my friend, did you smash the like button? Go ahead and do it, please. Support us, guys. You know that channel without you it can growing up, so please support us, smashing the like button, writing down comments. It's not something hard, guys. We also put in very, very, very hard job for you, and we don't ask you for nothing. We just want from you just a small like and writing down comment. You done it? Thank you very, very much, my friend, and I appreciate all the help I get from you guys. And here, guys, what the Bitcoin giving us here. Look with me here. You got here a price action, yes or no? You see it or no? Now, if that one came and break here, should you enter short? If you want to enter short, tell here, maybe. But also, we need the break to happen here in the top for us to go higher till here, guys, till 18k. Picture is too clear. Now let's go into see our indicators with the same for picture to be more clear to you. That one here, if you remember that trend line of the divergence we used to have. Here, in the last 2 videos, we be in here. I told you it's going to go higher. Now where we are? We are here. Now we are in a very, very, very criteria moment, guys. It's need that one to break higher. If it's break higher here, we go into the overbought area, guys. Very, very, very clear picture, guys. Look at it. What it giving you here. Look, from that peak here, we came like that. Over here is the high. Then it came down. Over here is the low. Then it came up. Over here is the high. Then it came down here. Over here is the low. Now what we need, it's need that one to go and to break for us that last high which is here to give us a uptrend. Everything is too clear, guys. It's need at least to come to break that trend line here, to come here, then to come back to test it here. Then after that, you will go in up until the overbought area again. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that indicator, guys. Let's see our other indicator what it's saying for picture to be more clear to you. That one here, why us we enter long? Because we used to be here at the oversold area level. We used to be in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Price action here, we used to have one. We break here, we enter long. Yes or no? Where we make the target, we make it here in that zone. Here, guys, it will not come to it within 1 day. That's why his name swing trading. Swing trading, we're taking all the trend till it up. Then from here, we're going to see if we are going to go back inside or we are going to drop down, guys. So our indicator, what it's telling us here? It's telling us we are still going up. Where should we take the profit? Where we reach here at the overbought area. Now what should we do? Nothing, guys. We just need to wait in here. Picture is too clear? Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there for picture to be more clear to you and to see if there is any scalping opportunity for tomorrow. Here we are in 30 minutes. 30 minutes, people they've been with us. Well, us we enter long here from here. We used to have here a price action. It's breaking here. Then also we go with it till here, till that level here. Yes or no? The last video, watch me, I told you here, in that place here. I told you got here a channel like that. You see it or no? You got a very clear up channel here. I told you if it came and break a lower here, you enter short again. That's what me I told you. I'm talking here about scalper and day traders. They did break. No, my friend, it doesn't. Look, if you came like that, see any break here? No. Where is the channel? Is here. You see any break? No. So it's still very far away from here to come and to break. Unless if that one here, it give us like that, a double up like that, then it's going to break lower here. Yes, we can enter short to here. Our indicator, what it's saying, guys? Let's see it, what it's saying. Our indicator, it's still here at the overbought area, guys. Yes or no? Should we enter short now? No, we need a price action at least to happen. We need that one to come to break here, to give us a double top, or to come to break that channel. Me, I'll show you. Till now, there is nothing confirmed, guys. It might from here is going to continue going upward, guys. Picture is too clear, guys? So, that's it, guys, for that video. See you after European market close. Bye for now, guys.